Hi guys, my name is Zain Al Hussain. At Zell, we have trained over 1000 students for CFA level 1 over the years. And here are a few mistakes that we have seen being commonly made and leading to students not passing their level 1 in the first attempt. The first mistake that everyone makes is not respecting their calculator. In the CFA exam, there are two calculators that are permitted. First is the Texas Instrument BA2 Plus, and the second is the HP 12C. A very common myth about these calculators are that these are very tough to operate and they look very complicated as compared to our simple calculators. However, firstly, these calculators are very easy to operate. Once, with adequate practice, once you master how to use these calculators, sums which can take up to 5 minutes to solve manually using a formula can be solved within 10 seconds. Subjects like quants, fixed income and portfolio management, corporate finance become so much easier using the calculator correctly. So guys, please, when you all start preparation, the first thing that you should learn is how to use the scientific calculator correctly. The second mistake that a lot of CFA students make is leaving a lot of subjects towards the end. Subjects like ethics, economics are left towards the end, which is wrong. Economics has a very high weightage of 12 to 15%. Ethics has a weightage of 15 to 20%, and these are very scoring subjects. A lot of small concepts in other subjects are also left last minute, which should not be done. Try and finish your portion 1 month before. Leave some time to practice adequately on with whatever questions you have. Practice as many mocks as you can. Try and make a cheat sheet or a last minute revision sheet. Try and make a formula sheet. So you quickly have, you don't have to go to 300 pages. You don't have to go through 300 pages to revise, but you can go over 30 pages as a cheat sheet. So the second mistake that a lot of CFA students make is not practicing adequately and leaving a lot of concepts to the last minute. The third and most common mistakes that CFA students make is not garnering enough work experience during level 2 and level 3. Level 2 and level 3 have a very high weightage of subjects such as portfolio management, fixed income, equity, and derivatives. When you decide to work, firstly, to be a CFA charter holder, you need to have 4 years of investment related work experience. So that could be before your CFA, during your CFA, or after your CFA. It is best recommended that you study and work during level 2 and level 3, because what you study will apply at work, and what you apply at work is what you will study. So it is very crucial that you garner some work experience to make level 2 and level 3 not only practical but also very easy. So guys, the third and final mistake that CFA, a lot of candidates make, is not garnering enough work experience. These are the 3 mistakes that CFA students often make when preparing for level 1. If you have made any of these mistakes, do let us know in the comments. If there are any videos that you guys would like to see, please let us know in the comments. Do like, share and subscribe and let us know what you think.